All right, what's good? This is gonna be the trade recap for Thursday, February 19th. So there was a no trade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cover ES because NQ was the exact same thing. Let's go ahead and hop into news real quick though. So we did have unemployment claims, wasn't really tripping off that. Fed manufacturing index as well wasn't tripping off that either. We did have Trump speaking later, which could have caused some volatility within the market, but overall the morning was looking pretty clean. And let's go ahead and look at the news outcome as well. All right, so actual less than forecast is good for the currency. So this was actually bearish news here. All right. So market open, we did have a split bias going into the day for ES. So we either wanted to see a 15-minute sweep of liquidity or a hourly sweep of liquidity within a 1 hour time frame imbalance. So we had an imbalance here, imbalance here. We had some lows here and some highs up here, hourly and 15-minute highs as well. Alongside with this here, the only reason why we didn't find anything off the year is because we did break it and we did not sweep it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and scale down even lower. So we tap into this higher time frame fair value gap here. We get a sweep of hourly lows. Cool. Waiting for that 5 minute to break structure, which we would have broken it at 650 or 650, or I mean 645. Again, my time zone is a little bit behind, but that's just what it's showing on TradingView, so I'm gonna just go with that. But alongside of that, so we get that 1 hour sweep of liquidity within that hourly imbalance. Alongside, we do get a fat ass inverse for value gap here, and then we do get a 1 minute break of structure here, a 5 minute break here, and a 1 minute for value gap here top. So the reasoning why I didn't take the trade is because these are hourly highs here, right? So this is my fucking stop loss would have been all the way down here, or within a 5 minute imbalance or 5 minute low, and this would have been TP. Risk reward was just not there for me at all. And then by the time that we did get that 1 hour super liquidity, I was gonna wait for 5 minutes to break structure, which we did get right here, right? So we got that 5 minute to break structure here, but this was already past our trading time, and as you could tell, that kind of worked out in my favor alongside of that because we quite literally just chopped, right? So that's gonna be the trade recap. There was no trade taken, and that's about it, boys.